I touch the hill, I just went insane. I just went in by the wall, that bitch pull up, suck on, give me how many lanes.
Yo, we back. Today we vlogging, but we not vlogging like teaching anybody. We really just going out to this legal pit in Texas. We just gonna go have fun. You know what I mean? Just show our face, and yeah, pretty much. Bro, man, let's turn around. Bro, what the?
Oh shit,
man, you heard that bitch, bro? That bitch scream like my heart, bro.
Oh fuck,
that sounded so amazing. I never did that before.
Real shit. What
my
the
checklist?
fuck?
Amazing. That's how you know today finna be crazy. Bro.
Oh yeah.
Finna go have fun. That's just, man, that's the beginning of the vlog. Like what the, like.
That's
bro,
beautiful,
hey,
bro.
For real. And we linking up with Homer, Josh,
Yoda.
and all his people, Yoda. So everybody, you know what I'm saying, the whole crew gonna be out there, so it's gonna be fun. We had fun last night, we finna go have fun again. So, hey, stay tuned. Met up with my dog Aaron. What's this called? Tacos?
Velvet Tacos.
Velvet Tacos.
The most fire, better than Torchy's, not better than Izzo's though for my Baton Rouge, you know, Louisiana.
Yeah. Oh God, yeah. Oh shit, get on that money.
Whoa, what is good, y'all? We got my boy, motherfucking Velvet Tacos. Let's get it.
There you go. Got a little yogurt just pulled up. Hey, we jam gang. Say we jam to the vlog.
What's good? What's poppin', man? Yoda gang in this bitch, nigga. We in motherfucking Velvet Tacos.
Tacos, yeah.
But I ain't eating no tacos.
Yeah, I ain't eating that neither though.
Going Super Saiyan like I'm Goku.
Highway Patrol.
How you doing,
Where's your
sir?
plates? What's that plate on the back?
It's just a play. I'm going to this event, so it'd be a lot of cameras and stuff. So I just put the custom plate on.
Okay, is that your real plate?
Yeah.
Can I see it real quick? To them?
Oh.
Regular plates, and then pull overs when you get close, and then stick them on there. Then, so
Okay,
that way
fine.
you don't get hemmed up and all that.
Okay,
stuff.
that's fine.
Right. Hey,
Yes,
I'll
sir.
be right back with you.
All right. Got pulled over. We finna get pulled over again. Watch. But good thing I got the warning thing, so we gonna be good.
Yeah, bro. On the same fucking road.
On the same road, bro. We just got
It ain't even been a minute, bro.
exactly, bro. It's been like a second or two.
All right, so when did you buy this this Corvette?
Is this Texas plate up here? Or? No, it's just it's a plate I use for whenever I do come to Texas. Like.
It's got window tint on the front windshield too, red sheet.
Hey, we back.
I still got the karma on his shit.
I'm getting hella calls, bro.
That shit.
Hey.
But like we was driving, I'm like, I know that ain't right.
You see it? Yeah, you straight, bro. I got pulled over. I sort of got a minute late. I got pulled over again. And shit, hey, this
Twice?
Josh, my dog Josh, and my
In the
dog right
fucking
here.
Oh,
Vlog,
you this
brother.
recording?
Oh my God, yeah.
God,
Oh, this is a motherfucking vlog.
Yeah,
Oh, we
vlog,
live and
brother.
affecting this bitch, man.
Y'all pull up to that video now?
we waiting on Homer.
Oh, waiting on Homer?
Yeah, type shit.
Wait for me right there at the fence. Wait for me right there at the fence.
Oh yeah.
God, hey,
And his motherfucker.
it was chaos to get here. we got like 3 tickets, but it's cool. Like, hey, we here. Another vet. You heard me? Yeah, go crazy for real. Ooh, I can't wait, boy. I might just go straight in there just to release my.
Who am I? The prince of the mid. It's some dog food on that silverware. Rinse off the dish. Me and you, 2 different guys. You out here simple like the dish. House and pocket change. I knock the wind up out his win. On this week for all black. I hate this crib just like I'm Venom. He had a restless forever. 25 moments. He ain't dropping dog. He likes forever. We just microfilms. When you do it, bro, you got an ice open. When you tell us stick for no reason, fuck around and lose both his feet. He too new to step. Fuck, oh, they ain't open. Did they had to go in Bucharest? Finna leave the country. I might fuck around in Budapest. 7 different color money hoodie. This bitch too majestic. If you catch a body being snitch, you gon' lose the credit. I can leave the credit. I can leave the debit. This ain't new. 90% of the grapevine and that shit ain't true. Prices fluctuated. Ain't the same ticket as yesterday. Talk about he in his bag only when he be better than. I can only thank God. I guess that these the better days. Shit, I always come first like the letter day.